Today's missions demand autonomy that adapts in real time. Prism SKR delivers closed-loop autonomy for defense systems requiring precise targeting, supervised execution, and terminal guidance. Operators start by defining what the platform needs to accomplish, such as monitoring, searching, or executing a specific task. Using AI domain-specific scripting, mission intent is translated into actionable objectives the system can understand and execute. Next, configure key mission parameters, including altitude, speed, and routing constraints. This establishes the flight profile while maintaining flexibility for dynamic updates during operation. With closed-loop automatic target recognition, operators refine mission intent through precise target selection and interactive 3D aimpoint designation. Once the mission begins, Prism SKR closes the loop between perception and planning, continuously adapting the flight path as conditions change. Using pixel lock targeting, operators designate and lock onto specific targets while remaining in a supervisory role as the system autonomously responds to real-world inputs. Prism SKR delivers precise terminal homing and persistent re-identification tracking, even through signal degradation or loss, scaling to fully autonomous terminal execution, resulting in faster decisions, greater mission confidence, and scalable autonomy from tasking through execution. OEMs can deploy Prism SKR at the edge on low-power platforms like the NVIDIA Orin or Teledyne FLIR's AVP, integrating seamlessly with boson and neutrino. Prism SKR, closed-loop autonomy, end-to-end.